This pump shotgun up close is devastating.
Yeah, if you land right in the center. If not,
Well,
it's...
Bob dropped a guy inside the window, and I walked around the corner and went, pump! Oh, car coming.
Oh, lay down. Oh my god, he's coming right for me.
Yeah, he's shooting at you.
Oh, he almost ran me over.
There's 3 of them.
They jumped out right by me and I started
I'm
shooting
down.
him.
Knock that guy.
You're fucked, Evans. Did you knock that guy too?
Yep.
One more. There he is.
Knocked him ball.
One more to your left.
Just come around behind.
Woo! Get fucked. Get fucked.
If you had your voice there, you're like, fuck all y'all. I
I've-
can't believe that